Please like, subscribe, and consider supporting our channel. The full raw, uncensored, no narrations, no captions, and an edited version of this body cam footage can be found in the description below. Please consider joining our Patreon. Subscriptions and donations will be used to acquire more public footage related to law enforcement activities. It really helps us do original full-length reporting like this. Sharing this video serves a compelling public interest because it is intended to illustrate the consequences of shoplifting, trespassing, resisting arrest, disorderly conduct, and being under the influence, and discourage others doing so. Defendants are considered innocent until proven guilty. Thank you all for the support.
I know my rights. I know my right to remain silent. I know my right to remain silent. I will never forget my right to remain silent. I will never forget my right to remain silent. I will never.
3 to 2, where is she?
She's out here in the road. He said he's right by the lanes. 35.
That one.
Oh, she just got in this car. Two in front of me.
Around 9:38 p.m. on October 24, 2024, Officer Kerr, Officer Herz, and Sergeant Pridy with the Garwood Police Department responded to a report of a disorderly female in front of Garwood Lanes. The officers arrived on scene and made contact with the female, who was later identified as Lauren. She initially attempted to leave the scene in an Uber and continued yelling obscenities towards others on the sidewalk. The officers asked her for her identification and told her that if she continued yelling obscenities, she would be placed under arrest.
Next one. Yeah, she's in the back seat.
Oh, she just got out. Hey!
What up, Lieutenant S1? Let's go! Fuck you, you guys are fucking pussies!
Relax. Guys, just go inside, please.
Go inside,
Hey.
I asked you three fucking times.
If you don't knock it off, you get
Don't
locked
look
up.
at me like that, bro. Get the fuck out of here.
What's going on?
Oh my god, I was trying to go home. I was looking for my little Uber. And they were like, you can't go outside without it. Like a little, you need to get an Uber account.
Okay, you got ID on you?
Yeah, I
Can
do.
I have it, please?
I can get home in like 10 minutes.
I need your ID first.
I don't. Of course you fucking do. Of course you fucking do!
Listen,
For what?
because I need to identify you.
You're gonna get locked up, okay?
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. He's already telling me. Once he asks for my ID, I know I'm locked up.
Stop yelling.
He asked for my ID, I know I'm locked up. Suck my dick. Like, he already knew. Exactly, now I'm locked up.
Put your hands behind your back.
Since she continued to be combative, she was placed under arrest for disorderly conduct. She was eventually transported to the Garwood Police Department for further processing.
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct.
Good, awesome, love it.
And it's gonna be more if we keep it up.
Perfect, love it. Don't give a fuck, awesome, love it. Love it.
Make sure you put those on a little tighter.
Love it!
It's good. No, that's not.
Not tight enough? Oh, it's not tight enough!
It's double.
Oh, it's not tight enough! Oh, it's not tight enough! I hope you have the body cam! It's not tight enough! Oh, that's another lawsuit coming! Oh, please, that's another lawsuit! Oh, please! I can't wait till I pass the bar exam. That's another fucking lawsuit coming. That's another lawsuit coming. That's another lawsuit coming. You think it's so funny, so that's all you need to do.
I just need some light.
Why are you taking so long? It's supposed to be easy,
Because
right?
you're not because you're moving
It's
around.
supposed to be easy. They say it's supposed to be easy without somebody even coming into that. Can you help me? Oh,
Careful,
sir, I know.
It's double locked.
It's double locked. Oh. It's double locked.
It's double up.
That's not normal. That's not normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. I'm telling you. I'm not acting crazy, sir. I'm acting
Yeah,
like...
you are.
Fuck you. Fuck you. You act like it's fucking crazy. Fuck you. Fuck you. You know it's not crazy.
Are you gonna calm down?
You're a scumbag.
Are you gonna calm down?
No, I'm not. If he thinks it's a piece of garbage, no, I will never calm down. 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 If he thinks that it's a little baby fucking excursion.
Hey, you got the right to remain silent. Anything you say can't
Yeah, I
be
know
used
my
against you in a court of
rights.
law.
So I can
You have a
scream.
right to an attorney.
I
You
know,
cannot afford
so
to
I
hire
can
one.
scream.
One will be
I
appointed
can
to represent you
scream.
if you wish.
I can
You understand
scream.
these rights as being read
I
to you.
know my rights. I will scream my rights all fucking day
Put your
long.
rights down.
Suck my dick. I will suck my right. I will fucking talk about my rights. I know my rights. I know my right to remain silent. I know my right to remain silent. I will never forget my right to remain silent. I will never forget my right to remain silent. I will never. I'm making more.
Hold her for a second.
Good. I asked you. I asked you if you wanted to. I asked you. Fuck you. You know I asked you. Fuck you. This guy. Oh, it's assault. Fuck you. You're a piece of shit. You're a fucking pussy. Now it's assault. You're a fucking pussy. You are such a pussy. You're like, oh, what else can I charge you with? And I'm gonna, I'm not going in here then. I'm not going in here. I'm not going in here. If he's not charging me, I'm not going in here. I'm not going in here. Nope. Get your hand off my ankle.
Get your foot, then get
Get your hand off my ankle! If he doesn't stop touching me, I will fucking I will freak the fuck out. He needs to not touch me. If he wants to call assault, we're gonna go through that route. No, he wants to go through assault. No, we're not doing that then. No, he claims I assaulted him. Nope, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Oh, he's still assaulting. He's still assaulting me. He's assaulting me. He's assaulting me! Ah!
Yeah, you got your spare key? Watch.
Yeah.
Sergeant, you got my keys? What about email under for disorderly conduct?
You can track the fucking record!
reporting one adult female from the lanes to headquarters starting 82134.4.
Fucking girl out! Ah! Get her out of here! She has children!
Alright, 82134.4. 945. Check that 21.
You are a fucking scumbag! She has children! She has fucking children! You guys are fucking scumbags! You are fucking scumbags! I don't care! Lock me up! I don't give a fuck!
Board standing open for you.
You guys are fucking pussies! Call the fucking cops! I don't care! I am losing my mind for the kids! Do it for the fucking kids! These kids deserve a mom!
We're arriving headquarters lot ending 82134.6.
You are such a fucking piece of fucking garbage! You are such a... You are! You're a... I can't open this!
Good?
Nope.
No. Yeah.
You're out of control.
Drunk too.
Yep. Just gonna have to. Okay. Go get the seatbelt from the other side.
Alright.
We got a live one.
You're like, I'm crazy? Bro, you know what's crazy? I am smarter than all of you combined. I have a law degree. I'm not moving because I'm going to be upset. I'm not, bro, I haven't been charged with a crime, so get your fucking hands off me. Bro, are you fucking